been playing Roblox, as you know.
Roblox?
No, not Roblox. Hyper Animals, with the only mighty Septic Lucas.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the only one.
Only one. He's my brother.
This is a pretty fun game, and let's select our father. Did you select?
Okay, do you want to do randomize?
Nah.
Randomize. Come on, let's see what. Ready,
Close
steady, go.
Close our eyes.
Close my eyes.
There, my first one is a crab. My father is a
Mine
crab.
is a sloth.
And a squirrel. A crab with a squirrel. Let's see what comes
Mine
out.
is a
It comes up
hippo.
a beach nut bunny. That looks pretty bad.
Sloth plus hippo equals
What is yours?
tree stomper.
Can I see it? Does it
Yeah.
look cool? Can I see it? Oh, that looks cool. Look at mine. Wait.
Show me yours.
Look at mine.
Whose looks better?
Yours.
Mine is also fast.
So yeah, and I got a new app up. So yeah, and my other app that I used to record with, I don't know what happened to it. Like it just doesn't work.
Ads, always ads. Ads are stupid.
Go back, okay.
X, okay.
So yeah, we're gonna try and kill that spider.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Come on. Yes, got it. What level are you on?
I'm on level 4.
Already.
What are you on?
3.
What do you mean already? I'm only one level higher than you. Okay, we're in level 5.
Oh my god.
So, vision. We need a lot of vision. We need to see what do we do. I have a feeling I want to fight this guy. It's pretty good, pretty good. He's going to be dead because I hate
Come on. A lot of food here.
Oh yeah, we're on the streak of fight. Oh no, we're not anymore. We're not hit. Yes, we got it. Oh, this is gonna be a slow battle. Oh, might be fast because I'm going fast hits.
Genius innovator.
Leonardo
Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh yes, we're gonna do it.
Unlock his
fair.
skills to unleash.
XP is gonna be like 2 up if we get this guy.
I don't care about these ads. I'm still not gonna download your games.
No, this guy's regenerating.
Come on. TOTV. Come on.
Fun and a tactic if you move around and then
What level are you on?
5.
Okay, I'm on level 6.
Are you?
Yes.
Nah. But I'm gonna be on level like 8 by then. Because like I'm gonna kill a guy. Yes, I'm on level 6 as well, okay. There's no point of trying to kill him then. But we're gonna go to level 7 quickly. But we're nearly already in 7.
Come on!
Why are you raging?
My guy is just staying there lagging out.
That's funny. So yeah, and if you haven't noticed, like, remember my old videos, I used to have, like, you know, start, you see my screen.
What the hell?
What happened?
Tarantula.
Yeah, so what?
Level 5.
Okay.
I'll try and kill him.
Okay, you're probably gonna die.
I'm not risking it.
It's actually called spiders, but still. My thing is very, very small. It's very small and pesky. Why do we do randomize? What'd you, Dennis? I didn't want to randomize. My thing looks ugly. It literally looks like a spider trying to be a one.
We're nearly on level 8.
I'm nearly in level 9. I'm already in level 9. So what should we get in? Health regen. We need that kind of like whenever we battle, we need to regen as well faster. You see, I'm thinking. So it's a pretty cool game, and this is not the full version.
Yeah, I killed the tarantula.
Oh, you actually did.
In first hit.
Whoa.
He had full health.
Oh, this is not the actual, like, let me check. I got one hit on that, though. So yeah, this is not the fully released one. This is the actual game, but they're still working on the fully released progress. I think so. That's how it is.
Come on!
Or maybe this is
No, I died!
Hi there.
No!
Welcome to King of Avalon. I'm going to show you the fastest way to level up that dragon.
the earrings on. They're probably deaf then.
Okay, sorry.
So yeah, and
I have to pick. I'm gonna just select again. Randomize. Oh, snake! No, wasp.
Are you trying to? Oh, you got a snake and a wasp.
Yeah.
That should look good, actually.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it looks so good.
Can I see?
Slithering buzzer.
Oh, that looks so cool. I wish I had that.
Looks so cool, guys. It's because I look so good and I don't know how to say because I look so good.
Are you gonna be like Connor Maynard now, a singer?
Because I look so good. I don't know how to say because I
My brother's
die, won't you die? Die food.
So you're calling your people?
Not them.
What are you calling? Oh, like
The food in the game.
yeah, the red and stuff and green and stuff like that.
Yeah, and you.
Well, I'm not.
Subject Lucas's food now. Buy him. He's a burger. Released.
You are a crazy fan.
And I'm some chicken nuggets.
I just
This
got
looks
Big
good.
Tail. If that thing is dangerous, then I'm running. I'm lagging it. Let's see what's dangerous.
Why you always lagging?
Is this no? I picked the wrong font. It's a bear alligator. I don't know whatever that is. A bear.
What level are you on?
I'm on 14.
I'm on 5.
No, you're not.
I swear to
Oh
God.
yeah, because you died.
Yeah, I died. Could it be on level 15 or 16?
No, you're lower than me, remember?
No, I was higher than you that time.
No, and then I leveled up 2 higher than you.
And then I got 8 again with you.
But then I was like.
I always wanted to build a house of my own, but then I thought, why
Oh
stop
my
there when I could build a
God.
whole city? No one said it.
Gave me so much XP. So I need health regen. We might have to take over that 11 dude. Vision. That's your vision, kids.
I'm gonna work on this big purple thing.
We'll try. It doesn't look dangerous.
Come on.
Bruh. Okay, leg it. Some, like. Leg it. I'm going deeper. No, I don't want to go deeper.
I'm on level 9. Did I go level 5? Fast. Level 9.
Yeah, you did.
What level are you on?
16.
Only.
What you mean only?
Oh my God. Look at this dude. Come on. How much minutes is the video on? I'm not messing with no one. No, I'm not. I don't want to mess with no one. Now they all came up on me.
Did I kill you?
Yes.
You should have run away.
I did run away.
You were too slow.
Randomize. I just picked a wolf. I didn't even randomize.
Jesus! I died as well.
Fork.
Randomized.
What does a wolf have to do with a fork? Oh my. Timber stabber.
Oh, what the fuck? I got a raccoon.
Look, a wolf mixed up with a fork.
No, I'll show you a raccoon mixed with whatever that was again. Look at this.
Mm.
Can I see yours? That thing looks so retarded. We started at the same time.
What level are you on?
I'm on level 5.
Sure you are.
I'm on 60, look. Oh, that's actually one speed. badass actually.
Badass, well, what you hit that badass?
Damage, let's go down.
I died on level 2.
How did you die?
I just tried to kill someone on level 2.
That's funny.
What are you doing?
I'll go for attack speed next.
Lucas, this game's lagged out.
You are lagged out.
What do you mean I'm lagged out?
You are lagged out. So damage.
This video is 10 minutes, 45 seconds.
Already?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'll tell you whenever it's 15 minutes, okay?
14 just said because we're going to do that one.
Yeah. Guys, it's lagged out. We're just gonna look at all the different creatures, okay, guys? My game lagged out, sorry. This is the creature for life. The owl. Next up we have someone, the snail. Next we have the hamburger, Lucas.
What the fuck just did?
There's a hamburger right here.
Yeah, I know there's a fucking cheeseburger.
Bang. Bang, a polar bear.
This is
That's
why
my
you-
dad.
This is why you need speed, okay?
This is me.
What are you, a fork?
And this is... Okay, I said turtle. And can I select... This game is actually lagged out. I can't do nothing about this. Oh my god.
Is there any sound effects?
Bang, 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 bang.
I'm not sure if there's any sound
Guys,
effects.
this music.
Oh, there is sound effects.
There's no music.
There's no music.
How about I do this? Bang.